Hello students, how are you? Madhu Singla is here. Today we will start economics. First chapter of economics, development. First of all, I will discuss the contents of this chapter according to CBSE curriculum 2020-21. What development promises different people, different goals. Income and other goals. National development. How to compare different countries or states. Income and other criteria, public facilities, sustainability of development. What is development? It is a comprehensive term which includes increase in real per capita income, improvement in living standard of people, reduction in poverty, etc. What development promises? Different peoples, different goals. Different people can have different developmental goals like goals of landless rural laborers, maybe more days of work and better wages, quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination. They can become leaders in the village. You can give other goals also. What is the goal of a student? Pick up your diary and pen. Write down your goal. Write down the goals of your parents also. And give answer of the other questions. What may be development for one may not be the development for other person. It may even be destructive for the other. For example, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams, but this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribal people. They might resent this, may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their fields. You can give some more examples like you are free now. Your mother wants you to share in household work. You may not like this. For development, people look at a mix of goals. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. It is also the case that if there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. Now we will discuss income and other goals. People want more income. You will notice one common thing what people desire: regular work, better wages, good price for their production, means all people want more and more money. Money or material things is one factor on which our life depends. Quality of our life depends on non-material things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect for others. Now, we want protection from coronavirus. For development, people look at a mix of goals. The development goals are not only about better income, but also about other important things in life. What is national development? It is very important to keep in mind strengths. Different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. National development means thinking about fair and just path for all, whether there is better way of doing things. How the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations, desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. In this chapter, we shall make a beginning for understanding development. It is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life.